Right now, this hollow billet is a thick-walled tube, somewhat rough on its surface, but absolutely seamless. Truly walls without welds, hurrying on to do service in a towering skyscraper or in a deep oil or gas well. This piercing operation is a rough, tough test of the steel in the tube. Only the finest steel, properly heated, can withstand the punishment it takes here. Let's look behind the scenes of this powerful machine and see what actually takes place inside. The pass is a combination of two power-driven barrel-shaped rolls. This is the piercing point, and it is supported on the forward end by a thrust bar. The bar is free to rotate, but cannot move back and forth in a line. Here comes a heated billet to be pierced. The piercer point makes its first contact with the heated billet at the center hole. When the billet is pushed into the piercing mill, the rolls take hold of it and advance it and rotate it over the piercer point. The powerful pulling and rotating action of the mill causes the metal to flow over the piercer point, with the result that the pierced round slides over the bar like a sleeve over your arm. This combined action of the rolls and piercer point form the hole in the center and throughout the length of the billet. The pierced shell, still at a soft forging temperature, is now ready for its run through the continuous mill, the first continuous seamless pipe mill in the world. From this point on, all operations are entirely automatic. First, a long cylindrical bar or mandrel is inserted into the shell. The bar or mandrel is not fixed as in the piercing mill. It moves forward with the shell around it into the continuous mill. This operation is called rolling on a bar. This part of the continuous mill is called the mandrel mill. It has 9 pairs of semicircular grooved rolls so arranged at right angles to each other that the rolls alternately engage one side, then the other, of the shell's outer surface. Reduction of the shell's diameter over the mandrel is the first step. The first 2 sets of roll stands do that. The next 4 sets of rolls reduce the wall thickness. The next 2 polish and perfect the surface of the shell. And the last, or 9th stand, rounds up the shell and loosens it from the mandrel. After passing through the mandrel mill, the shell and mandrel are conveyed to a mandrel bar stripper.